Well, guys, we made it to the end of 24. Just wanted to get on here real quick. I got to get my stuff ready to go here. We got our truck we got to run into town for the last time this year. Wanted to get on here real quick, though, and let you know that I am so glad this year is over. Yeah, we had a decent year, but at the same time, on a personal level, it was pretty bad for me. So, business suffered this year. I suffered this year. But on the positive side of things, we got some stuff done this year. We got that 420 code fixed on that Buick, which has been bugging us for a while. You guys, in your overwhelming support, thank you very much for that. I do have some news to report. We have hit 2,000 subscribers, so congratulations, guys. Sometime in the spring, you'll get your 2,000 subscriber video. 25 is going to be pretty good for us. I've got a lot of stuff we need to get done. We got some more Buick content we need to get out on the LeSabre. Rusty, our 89 Ranger, he's going to get some work done on him this year. The Kia, which is in the shop right now, needs to get some work done on it, but I don't know what we're doing. We're doing another video on fuel lines this year. We need to put the fuel lines on the Buick, so we're going to build them. They are, as they say, unobtainium. So we're going to use our flaring kit like we did on the Kia, and we're going to build us some fuel lines for our Buick so that we can take it long distance. Let's see. We've got Pontiac content coming up. We're going to do the window grid on the Pontiac because the tint on the back window destroyed the grid. So we have to redo the grid on the Pontiac. We're going to probably do some shop videos this year. We definitely need to get our shop built. So if you're interested in donating to the shop build, please let me know. ranger.auto.repair @gmail.com. Or you could leave me a message on this video or any future videos saying, hey, how can I contribute to your shop project? And we can work something out. You guys have been totally awesome this year. So I want to thank you guys for everything. And hopefully next year will be as good on that regard. I do want to... Oh, goodness. That's a lot of garbage in there. See that? That's all going to recycling. That's what I do with my metal. I save it up, and then at the end of each quarter, every 3 months, I recycle it. Helps pay the bills around here. But before I go, I want to say Happy New Year to everybody. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for sticking it out with me this year. Especially that last video around Christmas. That was going to be the ending video for the year. Putting those lights in that SRX. And unfortunately, I screwed up. I'm using a new camera. And I don't understand how it works yet. I do know that you have to leave the stuff on the camera until the editor is done with it. Otherwise, it leaves the editor. So, which is different than when we used our iPhone, because I could load it to the editor, delete the footage, and I still have a video. So, we got a lot of growing pains that we're going through right here. So, but I want to close this out real quick saying Happy New Year to everybody. Hopefully 25 will be a lot better than 24 was to us. And it's cold, so I'm going to go ahead and end this here. So, Happy New Year, everybody. Let's start 2025 swinging. We got a lot of things to go on this year. You might get some updates if they come available. I don't know. But anyhow. anyhow, we'll catch you on the other side, and I'll see you on the next one.